So, hello. So, these sites like Reddit, these forums, I have a long history of dealing with forums, all the way back to Yahoo and even um, MySpace in the forums over there. Oh, and then some of the email websites that had forums attached to it many years ago. Um, there are those community forums, aren't they so beneficial, especially when you're trying to find information that our government is keeping from us? So, Reddit, one thing that I heard a particular YouTuber talk about with Reddit was, and I can't remember the YouTuber, so, and I didn't write that YouTuber's name down, but the Reddit platform is good for finding out all sorts of information related to a niche, a product, a service, and um, how the people are responding to it, what they like, what they don't like about it. So you're kind of eavesdropping, and that helps out with whether or not you even want to, let's say, be an affiliate marketer to a specific product. Okay. So people are always going in these forums, jotting down notes, finding out what the public likes, what they don't like. Also, they're spying on the competition as well. All the things that the competition is doing that people absolutely love. Okay. Reddit is also a great place to be inspired in terms of writing articles because people are going to vent, right? They're going to talk about all their problems. And so you can take that problem and then have it reworded using the AI tool so that you can be able to get some ideas on all the different ways that you could approach that particular topic. So let's say that I'm one of those who I'm venting about all things related to a specific job in an industry that I absolutely hate. And I'm going on and on about it. But then you see a gold mine in what I'm saying, but you don't quite know all of the titles, the descriptions, what how you want to approach it for the next video. So you can take what I'm saying, copy that, paste that into the AI tool, asking it to reword it, and then provide a bunch of ideas as it pertains to what it is that I'm venting about. Next thing you know, you've got articles, you've got titles, you've got descriptions, you've got even forum discussions, and you might even want to open up a Facebook group related to it. That's how they do it. Some folks will even take the same problem, create solutions by having a website with the products that are related to what that person vented about. So there may be a software program that helps with maybe the software program that I vented about that the job is using and they really need to upgrade. And so then you find out what that product is that's better than all of these things that we're complaining about. And then you offer that product on a website and then you conveniently respond with where to go to get that product. That's been going on for ages. Some of these forums, though, oh, no self promotion, no links, so always know what the rules are. Okay. And something else about Reddit is that when it came down to doing the research in terms of knowing what the product is, the service, um, and trying to find more about the product and service, the questions are always a good thing to ask of the community, right? To get their pulse, to find out if they're even using the product. Because I found out that some of these things, as quick as they come out, customers are on to something else. Or there's a new product that's being built. So using the community forums once again to help out even with the business plan, what are people saying? And in that section where it talks about market analysis, you're able to include what you plan on doing to market the product and how it's already doing with other companies and how you can improve upon it. So, and that is something that Nicole McGuire Media has helped out with in the past, is business plans. Just had to throw that in there. So lots of interesting ways to approach these various problems that people have going through the community forums, being able to get your share of ideas for writing articles, for creating videos, for creating websites. Also, don't sleep on the various tools for ranking videos. You've got vidIQ at the time of this recording, as well as TubeBuddy. Those are very popular among YouTubers, and that's how they're spying on the competition. That's how they're getting their best keyword tags to use for videos and all of that good stuff. Okay. The next thing I'm going to talk about in the next video is how do we put the art, the AI art, to work for us and hopefully make some money. So please do stay tuned for that video.